Leti mai te kaupapa I waiua.
Kia ora, and welcome to Kupatin. I'm in Kāwhia, to the Few household. Today I'm going to show you on what we do here as a whānau in our little bubble when we're in lockdown. Whai mai ahau. Now I'm going to show you some of our urukai that live here in Kāwhia and what they do when we're in lockdown. Lockdown! And these are my Elvish girls. And this is what they do when they're in lockdown. Well, I hope you enjoyed the journey on what we do here in Kāwhia at the Few household. I better carry on with my reiki and go and see where Legolas is. Kia ora.